A buddy from Ceará taught me that adding eggs to onions makes a perfect lunch. Start by frying 200 grams of bacon in a pan until crispy, stirring occasionally. Then remove the bacon and set it aside. In the same pan, add 2 sliced onions. Wait for the onions to start wilting. Now crack in 4 eggs. Add 2 minced garlic cloves and mix everything well. Toss in 2 tablespoons of butter, salt, pepper, and sweet paprika. Mix again. Add some corn, parsley, and chives to complement the dish. Stir in some cassava flour mix and top with the crispy bacon. And there you have it, folks. Our recipe is ready. Check out how amazing this farofa looks. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. It's a quick, easy, and delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs to you all. See you next time, and thanks.